Hi, and welcome to Magic Scanner website, a fundamental stock selector for KLSE and SGX financial market. You're about to learn the secrets to raking in double to triple digit return per annum in trading or investing, no matter how much time you've had to prepare. It doesn't matter if you've never had any past experience or education, this Magic Scanner will tell you everything you need to know without spending too much brain power. This is unlike any tool you'll find out there. It's the edge that most analysts and fund managers want or have. Go ahead and get yours now.
Hello everyone, I'd like to welcome you to another closing bell for the week ending 7th of December 2012. From last week comment, let me just look back at my last week comment. Last week the market was doing 1607. Now it is 1615. Let me just move this aside. So we are quite spot on in terms of, as I said before, last week if you look at the KLCI, we were down almost 16 to 18 bars. As much as I hate to say it, market just don't go down like that. There's always opportunity of rebound, and we did see this so-called two-bar reversal. I remember this was last Friday. Friday this was 28th. Last Friday was 30th. I remember, yes, 30th. So 30th was here. So we see two-bar reversal, and I did say we did see sign of strength now, but it's not convincing enough. So it's likely the market to drift sideways with a slight upside. Okay, so this was what we saw, the two-bar reversal in here on the volume spread analysis. Okay, then the market moves sideways with a slight upside. So we've been spot on. Now the reason why we're spot on, for those of you who have attended our volume spread analysis, there's no mystery or no surprises why the market moved higher. It's because any market, when you have this kind of really sell down 14 to 18 bars and you have volume coming in, that's bound the market to reverse. And in this case, but it doesn't reverse very quickly. In this case, what we have was market just move sideways, have a 5-day line change in here, and we do have lifting of the lows. You notice the lows here and this low are getting in higher. So that is a sign of strength. SOS, things that we teach you in the main course, sign of strength, SOS. So that has been very promising. The market's going to move up. So for the last 2 to 3 months, we've been spot on purely using volume spread analysis. How do you say to so far on the forecast they have done so far over the last couple of months? Do you like it and it's been spot on? Just want to do your feedback. How's it been so far for you? Has it been very helpful to determine the direction? Okay, any feedback? How's it been so far for you? How's it been so far with you with the closing bell? Has been beneficial for you? Okay, okay, I got some response here. So far so good. All right, thanks a lot, Linda. Good, good. Okay, good. So let's move on. Okay, good, good. Now we're going to move on, and next thing is, okay, another comment here. November was totally caught off guard. Yes, yes, David, the 18 bar. Remember, we did mention here the 1630. If you break down here, this is definitely going down from that point. But December month, we're looking for a very positive closing because foreign funds as well, the institution are looking into buying into this month here. Okay, nothing, no surprises in that. Okay, let's move on. What I have in mind is the foreign funds flow. Now the foreign funds flows, let me just go through here. As you can see, for the month of November, you will notice, let me just circle this to highlight what I'm talking about here. You can notice there are definitely more reds than green. More reds than green. So if you're looking at the overall average accumulation in here, right, you can just go up here. You can see there's really a trend in depth. Okay, let me just highlight this again. You can see this trend here, you know this, and once the trend goes through what we call a mushrooming top, see this mushrooming down here, Okay, so that tells you why foreign funds are leaving. So the foreigners are leaving, they're slowly leaving because of the uncertainty of the pending election. So what is left is a lot of EPF really going in and supporting me. There was a good question posed by, I think, Kwan something about talking to me about the EPF. So when they see EPF selling funds, they are saying that no, the market is leaving. So I did tell Kwan specifically that when EPF are buying and selling, they are merely providing liquidity to the market. The thing we should watch for is the foreign funds flow. So this foreign funds flow, as you can see before, let me go back to it again. We can see it's actually sloping off. So that why causes it. Red is a sell. Yes, that's correct, Kong. Red means negative, means they are net seller. Green is a positive. So you can see this is how I plot on the daily foreign funds flows. So you can see out of the whole month here, we only have a couple locations up here that is positive. So very important, we want to look at the foreign funds buying. So now what we want to see, if very